Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to the garden. Today we are doing yet again another garden related delivery. Guys, I'm not joking when I said I'm out of control with the garden spending. Like, essentially almost every penny that I've made on YouTube I've put directly back into the garden. So in a way, this is your fault that I'm so obsessed with the garden, because I've been saving up so that we could buy some great stuff. So today's order comes from a company called Norse Strawberries. I don't know. I went online in search of bare root strawberries. I was searching for the best deal, and this is the website I came across. So anyway, I ended up buying some strawberries from them and had them delivered this week. I bought these a few months ago, probably back in the winter time, sometime in February is when I ordered these. These are bare root strawberries. I like to purchase bare root strawberries because if you go to the home improvement store and buy a strawberry plant that's already growing, you're going to get ripped off. That's my own personal opinion. Don't be offended by my opinion. I'm just saying, for the price of one plant, you can get 25 plants. So go with bare root. It makes a difference. At least I think so. Again, it's up to you. It's up to you. For those strawberries that are already growing in pots, they do have advantages. You can harvest from them the first year. You do you. Don't listen to me. Anyway, the variety that I got this year is called EV2, which I was looking at the website once I got these because I was looking at, their planting instructions that they had. Once I got these, I realized that these are a patented variety, which I'm kind of irked about that I bought a patented variety, because I like to avoid doing that because I don't like it when people try to tell me what to do with my plants. So I'm going to plant these strawberry plants in the ground, and I'm not going to propagate them because that's illegal, and don't propagate your strawberries, so I'm not going to do it. I don't get it. I don't know. I'm sure there's a reason for plant patents, but I wish I would have chose a different variety. Anyway, these are day neutral strawberries, which I think means that they're going to produce throughout the entire season. Ideally, the first year you should remove the berries and not let them produce any berries and really let them focus on growing roots. I'll probably just completely disobey that rule because I like to eat strawberries, so I probably will let them make some little tiny strawberries this year. I'm just being honest. I could sit here and lie and say I'm going to remove them all, but I'm not. I'm going to eat those strawberries. I love strawberries. That's why I bought them, so I'm going to eat them. Anyway, to plant these, all I did is I followed the instruction pamphlet that they gave me with my order, which is nice. I always appreciate when companies give me an instruction pamphlet. Like, what if I don't know what I'm doing? Anyway, I soaked these in water for a little bit, and then I went out to the yard and I tilled up a nice little space. This space gets kind of like half shade, half sun all day. This space is the only space in my whole entire yard that's a little bit out of the way, so I think I'll be able to keep them growing there without stepping all over them or disturbing them. We planted them a lot closer than the instructions said, but hello? Are you new to this channel? That's what I do on this channel. I plant things really close. It's just who I am as a person. After that, I sprinkled a little bit of straw on top of them, gave them a good drink of water. I'm going to keep those nice and moist, get them established, get them to start growing, and then hopefully we'll have some really, really great strawberries next year. Not this year, because I'm not going to eat the first year strawberries, I promise, guys. That's really about it for this video. I know it was a short one. Probably wasn't helpful, but I just wanted to show y'all what was going on in my yard and see what's going on in your yard. If you're growing strawberries, tell me all about it in the comments. I always love to hear from you guys. I learned so much from you guys. I usually try to get back to the comments within a week. Sometimes it takes a little longer, sometimes it's a little shorter. Just depends on how busy I am. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I'd love to have you. Making new videos all the time. I hope that you guys are having such an amazing day. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, guys.